Looking for the perfect NYC neighborhood? Whether you crave quiet suburbs or bustling city streets, we've got you covered. Starting off with Manhattan. Fancy the Upper West Side? It's family-friendly, with top-notch schools and just steps from Central Park. But remember, it's not kind on your wallet. Next up, Greenwich Village, a haven for art lovers and foodies, with its vibrant art scene and historic charm. But it's pricey and pulsates with nightlife noise. Don't forget Tribeca, high-end and stylish with superb dining. Ideal for families, but prepare to splurge. Crossing over to Brooklyn, Park Slope offers that cozy community vibe with great schools and historic homes. Pricey, yes, especially those charming brownstones. Williamsburg, the trendsetter's paradise, artsy with a buzzing nightlife. But watch out for the high cost due to gentrification. Dumbo calls if you love stunning Manhattan views and trendy spots mixed with old world charm, but it's another expensive ticket. Venturing into Queens, Astoria boasts a diverse community and delicious eats, more affordable but a bit farther from Manhattan. Forest Hills combines the suburban charm with city perks, though it's pricier than other Queens spots. Heading north to the Bronx, Riverdale offers a suburban feel, green spaces, and is more wallet-friendly, but it's a trek from Manhattan. Lastly, Staten Island's St. George gives you scenic views and affordability, but prepare for a longer ferry commute. Remember, whether it's the lifestyle, budget, or commute, each neighborhood has its pros and cons. Need help finding the perfect area or moving? Our expert relocation services are just a call away.